Hello world, good morning and happy holidays. In the spirit of the holiday season, I wish you all joy and happiness this time of year. And I wanted to share with you one of my best and favorite ideas for achieving joy in your life, not only during the holiday season, but all year round. And this is my idea that I call the way of ambitious joy. And it has two parts to it. And the tricky thing about this idea is recognizing that there's a kind of inherent tension or paradox between the two parts. But you really need both if you're going to move forward through your life and achieve as much joy as possible. So the two ideas are that you need to fill your days with both gratitude and with growth. But the thing is, there is a kind of tension between these ideas. Gratitude is all about recognizing the good that is around you. It's about being what I like to call a value hunter, someone who actively goes out to seek and extract as much gold from all of your experiences, filling your days with gratitude. The problem is when you focus on gratitude, you start to pay less attention to the things that might actually need to change. So you need to combine gratitude with the kind of criticism that is constructive, the kind of criticism that points toward growth. You need to be focused, in addition to all the things that are going well, with all of the things that could be improved. But focusing on the things that can be improved, not with a complaining attitude, but with a focus on trying to find the solution, with a focus on growth. And I find that when I fill my days with both gratitude and with growth, it's the best way to go through life and fill it with as much happiness as possible. So that is my wish for you this holiday season, and as I said, throughout the year, throughout your life. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy the holiday season, and I will see you all soon. Bye, everybody.
Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.